Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're looking at a new coin. It is not a new coin, but I haven't covered this coin before. The network is called Zebec Network, and the ticker of this coin or this altcoin is ZBCN. It used to be this one, which it is ZBC. It was around. It came out in April. Oh, sorry, it came out in March of 2022, as you can see here, and they migrated to this new address in um, 2024 April, as you can see here, and they also increased supply from 10 billion to 100 billion. It was 1 to 10 ratio swap, as you can see here. So whoever migrated was able to get 10 tokens per 1 ZBC, I believe. So it's nothing big, but as you can see here, the token was not doing that well, but suddenly it started to pump, and it has performed really well ever since May, as you can see here. So it ended up hitting its new all-time high, and which is a lot. And if you look at the market cap, it actually went from 100 million market cap to as high as 500 million market cap, and as of now it's trading around 400. And I think this was a really massive pump. And if you look at the token itself, it is not even listed on Binance and not even on Coinbase. So if it sees those two listings, there is a possibility that this coin could go even higher. It is also not available on Bybit as well, as you can see here. So I think this coin may be undervalued because of that. So I'm not sure about the Binance, but I think there could be a Coinbase listings soon. So the reason is that if you look at the investors, so if we just look here, they have a Gemini as an investor, they have Coinbase Ventures as investors, they even have Circle here, which is also a big one. So I think they also have OKX Ventures, so they have a massive investors behind their back. So I think there is a good chance that this coin or this token will find its way towards Coinbase. And if you know anything about Coinbase listings, whenever Coinbase announces a new listing, it usually pumps. There is that trend. Also, I think the Binance could also list this token in the future as well, so there is that as well, unless they have some kind of issue with them, but I don't think that they have. But again, this project seems to be a big one. So what is the Zebec network? So basically, Zebec's integrated products are real-time payroll apps, which is a big one. They have on-chain payments infrastructure and networked deepen. They serve companies of all sizes, merchants and individual, and help transit. Basically, they help to diminish the role of the financial intermediaries. So that's that they have going on. And they also have Zebec card, which is a big one. So you can also get it easily, as you can see here. They have, I believe as of now, they have two cards as well. So if you just go to the card section, they have Zebec Silver and Zebec Carbon, so you can get either of it, as you can see here. There are no transaction fees, so that's pretty good. And you can actually spend in USD, you can spend in euro and other currencies as well, so that's a massive one. So it is also easier to get, and it also works with Google Pay as well as Apple Pay, as you can see here. After that, this is, I believe, their second product, which is this one, as you can see here, real-time payroll, get paid by seconds. And if we look at it, if we just scroll down, okay, so where is it, just a second. Okay, so these are their stats for their deepen at work. As you can see here, they have this amount of transactions. I believe it is a lot, at least they are showing it. And they also have ZPin installed around 10 They also give rewards as well, as you can see here. And beside that, okay, so they also do treasury management with saves, as you can see here. Beside that, okay, so this is the important one, as you can see here. Just a second, I think I may have missed something here. So they also have RWA payments, which is a big one, and because of that I think they are one of the biggest RWA projects as well. So if we go to RWA category, if you look here, this project is doing pretty good. It's just right below Syrup as well, so I think that's pretty good for this coin in general. So coming to its token, which is a ZBCN, it is listed on 2020 exchanges. It has 65k holders, which is a lot, and they say that 1 million plus members, so that's a lot. And you can also check out these exchanges as well. Of course, it's not available on Coinbase, Binance, or even Bybit. Those three are also the biggest exchanges as well. So if it launches on those, there is a chance that the coin could actually go even higher than that. Anyways, looking at the utility of this token, okay, so let me try to find it where. Okay, so looking at the utility of the ZBCN, this is where the things get very interesting. So the first and real world utility that this coin has is that all the current and upcoming Zebec cards can actually spend in fiat, can be funded in ZBCN. So you can use the token and you will most probably save on some fees to actually fund your account in fiat currencies. After that, it can be used for staking as well. They do have a pretty massive APY, as you can see here. After that, it can also be used in DeFi, of course, and they have something called buyback program. So this is really interesting. So basically their card revenue, or whatever they get from the card, directly by so from the card, as well as ZBCN transaction volumes and partner contracts, that so basically those are, they actually buy back the tokens, ZBCN tokens, from the revenue of these products. So if we just look here, they actually bought in April 30, 2025, as you can see here, they bought around 50k worth of ZBCN tokens. I know it's not a lot, but they are doing it on a monthly basis, so that's pretty good. I will have to find just a second. I'll try to find last month's buyback in just a second on their Twitter. So if we just scroll down below, they have been actually making a lot of announcements as well, and as you can see here, they are also very active on Twitter as well, holding a lot of things. So I think that's a pretty good thing for the token in general. So as you can see here, they have achieved a lot of milestones as well. Anyways, I could not find the May buyback, so that's not a big thing. So this is another thing. So they actually acquired Get Nox, as you can see here, for compliance reasons, and they also made a massive thing. So they basically became certified member of the Circle Alliance program, so which was a big thing. And I think this is for their Zebec cards to payroll, so this is for the all products, so that's pretty good, I think, and that will most likely be a pretty positive thing for the token in general. And if we look at the announcement, it actually happened on the May 1st, and if you look at the price of the token, it basically started to pump right after this announcement. So I think that is a pretty massive thing for this coin in general. So coming to its price, so I think if we just look at the total supply, it has a max supply of 100 billion, and out of which 80 billion is in the circulation. So around 20 billion supply to go, which is around 20%, and I don't think that it is going to include that much sell pressure, because we have already seen a lot of I think holders that bought back somewhere around here. They sold it somewhere around here, and again it had a massive buyback. It had a massive buy pressure, and it has started to pump again. So I think if they announce some kind of news, or let's just say that they announce some kind of listing, I think the token could actually 2x from here, because if you look at its market cap, it's only around 400 million, and the hype and the investors behind the Zebec I think are pretty solid. So I think there's the possibility that this coin could go higher, and I am saying that because of the investors that they have going on. So they have Coinbase Ventures and even the Circle OKX Ventures. So I think it could actually become a coin that could actually pump as high as 1 billion market cap, which is a possibility, which would be around 2.2x or something like that. And I think that is possible for this coin. But again, if it does go down, I think it will most likely go as low as 2191. I think that seems to be pretty good price, around 0.00212, which seems to be a pretty good support. And that correction would be a very healthy one, because if the coin doesn't correct itself in the short term, it can actually become a bubble. So I think I think the entry should be pretty good somewhere around here. So I'm expecting this. It is very unlikely that it will retest this level, but if it does, it will be very good for this coin, I think. So around 0.0021, so that seems to be pretty good entry point if you're looking to get into this coin. And I think it can actually hit 1 billion market cap, so that would be around 2.5x from here. Anyways, this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.